Howdy folks, Fancy Picker here. I got the Colt Defender here today. This is a replica BB pistol. It's a CO2 powered pistol, non-blowback action, so you can get a few more shots per CO2 cartridge. And yeah, I do need to mow my yard, but I think instead I'll just fly stuff and shoot stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna throw this up in the air and try and hit it with the pistol a few times here. We'll see. Here we go. Not too bad, we got it. Just winged it though, just winged it. I want better than that, just winged it. Oh, missed it both shots. That was plumb terrible. Can't hit nothing that big flying and I'm in bad shape. I just barely winged it. Alright, we'll hit it, we'll hit it. Or not. Here we go. Alright, we'll get it. Just winged it that time too. Got it that time. At least made a hole in it. Alright. Out. Alright, reloaded up. It's time to narrow the odds down a little bit. See if we can hit a bottle cap. Yeah, this will be fun. Good luck. Here we go. Missed. Yep. Not gonna take that shot for obvious reasons. Things are hard to throw. Well, third time's the charm, I guess, because we caught it edge on. Got it. Yeah, I keep saying it. One more magazine. Alright, here we go. Let's try it again. Beautiful. Got it twice, finally. Finally. Terrible toss. We won't shoot that. Terrible. Plumb terrible. Alright, let's slow it down. Back to basics. See what that does every time. Slow it down, relax. Back to basics. Point and shoot. Alright, we're starting to get some holes in the old can now. Oh, there's my deaf doggy. She won't get out of the way, that's for sure. Better shoot this direction. We'll just keep making that one hole bigger. That's so much fun. I could sit out here and do this all day. Try it one day. Just throw something in there in a safe direction, of course. Lots of woods for backstop, and use a BB pistol and just practice this. It's fun. Maybe out, we'll see. Sounded like it. Yeah, we're out. Alright, that's enough. Colt Defender and a chewed up can. And somewhere along through here there's a little, in this mess, there's a little bottle cap that I hit earlier. But anyway, Colt Defender, Fancy Picker signing off.